I usually tell whether something's ready or not just by looking at it and smelling it. So let's take a look at these. Okay, so take a look. See how the color has changed? They're a dull green now. They're not bright green. They're lightly done. And then I just prick them with a fork and they're soft. They're soft. See how soft and it is. So that is a done okra. There's probably all kinds of recipes where you can bread them, and also they make wonderful soup because they've got a thickener in them. But I just like things plain, and I like these okra steamed. They're delicious. You know, when people think of eating okra, most of the time they think of gumbo, which is a marvelous savory soup that's made in the south of the United States. But boy, gumbo, you can't even see the okra. I really like to see the food and sort of know it and have a relationship with it. But that's just me.